In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offset text in Canva. Whether you're designing a standout greeting card, an engaging social media post, or a captivating invitation, adding offset text can elevate your design. It's a simple yet effective way to create depth and interest. And fortunately, Canva makes this process quite straightforward. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to your Canva dashboard. If you're already familiar with this space, you'll know that you can quickly access your recent designs or even create a new one. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll jump into one of our recent designs. This helps us work directly on an existing project and see the immediate impact of our text offset adjustments. Once you're inside your design, the next step is to locate the Text tab. You'll find this option on the left-hand side of your screen. By clicking on Text, you have the opportunity to either add new text elements to your design or select existing ones to modify. This flexibility is one of the joys of Canva, allowing you to experiment and fine-tune your work until you're satisfied. With your text selected, it's time to explore the Effects panel. Clicking on Effects will give you access to a variety of ways to transform your text. Here you'll find options that range from shadows to glowing effects and more. But today, our focus is on the offset effect, which helps your text pop against any background, giving it a more dynamic and lifted appearance. Choosing the right style is key. Within the Effects panel, you can browse through different stylistic options. Whether you're after a bold shadow for a dramatic vibe or a subtle outline for a more refined look, there's a style to match your vision. Spend a moment testing out a few to see what resonates best with your design theme. Once you've selected your preferred offset style, you'll want to adjust the thickness. This is a crucial step, as the thickness of the offset can dramatically alter the overall feel of your text. To do this, simply use the slider provided in the Effects panel. By moving it incrementally, you can see how the thickness affects your text's visibility and presence on the page. Aim for a balance that complements your design without overwhelming it. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to offsetting text in Canva. With these steps, you should be well on your way to creating visually appealing designs that capture attention and convey your message with flair and creativity. Enjoy experimenting with different styles and thicknesses to achieve the perfect look for your project. Happy designing, and see you in the next tutorial.